Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that smartphones, laptops, AI servers, modern cars, hospitals, and even internet services are struggling because one small island can no longer supply the chips they need. That island is Taiwan. Although Taiwan represents only a small part of the world's land area, it plays an outsized role in the global technology supply chain. Advanced semiconductors manufactured there power everything from consumer electronics to cloud computing and artificial intelligence. In this video, we'll explore why Taiwan became such a major technology hub, how semiconductor manufacturing works, why these tiny chips are so difficult to produce, what risks exist in the global supply chain, and what the future may hold. Chips are tiny electronic circuits. They perform calculations and control electronic devices. Billions of transistors fit onto a single chip. Nearly every modern electronic product relies on semiconductors. Examples: smartphones, computers, gaming consoles, cars, medical equipment, AI data centers, satellites. Without chips, smartphones stop functioning. Cars lose advanced electronic systems. Internet infrastructure slows. AI systems cannot operate effectively. Factories face production delays. Modern economies depend heavily on semiconductor availability. Discuss investment in engineering education, government support for technology industries, long-term research, development of advanced manufacturing capabilities, building a specialized semiconductor ecosystem. Mention that success took decades of investment rather than happening overnight. Clean rooms, extreme precision, thousands of manufacturing steps, specialized equipment, continuous quality testing. Modern semiconductor production is among the most complex manufacturing processes in the world. Enormous cost, years of construction, specialized engineers, complex supplier networks, advanced manufacturing expertise. Building a new semiconductor ecosystem requires time, investment. Smartphones, tablets, gaming consoles, AI processors, laptops, cars, medical devices, cloud computing servers. AI systems require powerful processors. Training advanced AI models depends on high-performance computing chips. The demand for these processors has increased significantly in recent years. Research, design, manufacturing, testing, packaging, shipping. Many countries contribute to different stages before finished electronics reach consumers. Precision measured in nanometers, dust control, temperature regulation, water purification, advanced machinery, extensive testing. Even tiny manufacturing defects can affect chip performance. Expand manufacturing capacity, improve supply chain resilience, develop next-generation technologies, invest in research and workforce development. Taiwan's role in modern technology illustrates how one region can have a major impact on the global economy. The devices we use every day rely on highly advanced semiconductor manufacturing built through decades of expertise and investment. Understanding this interconnected system helps explain why technology, economics, and global supply chains are closely linked. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more deep dives into technology, innovation, and the systems that shape our modern world.